In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable variable refresh rate on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enable variable refresh rate on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the top and select Settings. Scroll down and choose Screen and Video. Then select Video Output. Scroll until you find VRR. If it's available for your TV, choose VRR and set it to Automatic to enable it. Note, if it's grayed out or unavailable, it may indicate that your TV doesn't support VRR. For specific TV models, for Sony TVs or certain models, ensure your PS5 is connected to the designated HDMI port, often HDMI slot 3 or 4. Access the TV settings and change the HDMI type to Extended or Enhanced to enable VRR. If you're using a monitor or computer, check your monitor's settings for features like FreeSync. Navigate to the picture options and enable features like Game Mode or FPS Mode. Look for settings related to FreeSync or variable refresh rate and enable them. VRR and FreeSync provide smoother gameplay visuals, but ensure your TV or monitor supports these features for compatibility. If the VRR option is grayed out, check the TV settings or the monitor for corresponding settings to activate it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support motivates us to create additional tutorials. For more tech-related guidance, visit mediamagnet.business.